3.
Good morning, Dxn. I am in Dxn Saloniki. It's a difficult word. In Greece, which is the northern part. This is the headquarters, and the best thing I can see, there are some oranges also at the back. Just look at the nature. So we have got Ganoderma and we have got oranges also. And it's a beautiful office. The way the layout is. Look at the sign that is there. And we have got a very good counter.
She's the best.
And we got a lot of, beautiful customers over there buying the product. And I'll take you in more. And as everybody knows, what makes Dxn so different is Ganoderma. So this is the Ganoderma company. All the products that we have has Ganoderma. And that's what makes Dxn a unique company. Come on in more. And again, you can look at the way that they have beautifully displayed the whole thing. It's very well done, very professionally done. Hello. So we have got a lot of leaders over here, as you see. Good morning. And we are having a meeting in the back of the room, which is the meeting room, basically. And so it's a very, I would say, a vibrant, a positive environment. And right at the back again, you can see all that, the kiwi, and we have got the Ganoderma, we have got the cordyceps, and all that. That's the lion's mane, most probably. So awesome office. And I was here last night to give the seminar. And I would like the camera to be taken, and I will introduce a wonderful country manager, and his name is Apostolos.
Hello to everyone.
And can you just
welcome to Greece?
And can you say a few words to the people in the Dxn world?
In the Dxn world, actually, yesterday we had a great seminar with Mr. Fatemi Gani. He motivated us. He made a great business coaching seminar. And we are really happy and appreciate his presence in Greece.
And I would like to say that Apostolos, out of all the country managers around the world, he's a very humble person, and the way he is running the show is amazing. Just the layout of the office that you are looking at, this is definitely one of his thoughts.
Yes, it is.
And people are really happy with him. Anything else you would like to say?
Let's the company speak about this.
Okay. And you need any help, I will be putting Apostolos' WhatsApp number and email, and you can get all that information. And the place is called Saloniki, but the long word is Thessaloniki.
Yes.
And it's a very historical
You are more than welcome to join us in our office.
Right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wish you all the best.